What's the meaning of clairvoyant? Clairvoyant. Clairvoyant.
Clairvoyant. Clairvoyant. The term clairvoyant refers to an individual with the ability to see events or gain information through means beyond the five senses. This may include extrasensory perception, precognition, or other forms of psychic ability. A clairvoyant is believed to have access to insights and information that may not be readily apparent to others, and may be able to provide guidance or predictions based on this knowledge. Some people seek out clairvoyance for help with decision-making or to gain insight into their lives, while others view it as a form of entertainment or curiosity.